What's up and good morning, everybody. So today's plans were changed just a little bit. We were planning on getting some stuff packed, taking it over to the house, but we probably have maybe 6 inches of snow on the ground, and it's supposed to snow all day today, all day tomorrow. The snow is falling, and we are headed over to the house to snow blow the driveway out and to move more stuff over. So come along with us on this snowy move. Stuff like this. This is a signed photo from Amy Purdy. She is a Paralympian snowboarder. We don't know anything happening to this, so this is the stuff that we're moving kind of by ourselves before the movers come move the bigger stuff.
Okay, so we made it over to the new house, and not as much snow as in Sandy.
No, we got at least a foot over there.
No, it's 2 feet. I measured
I don't know
it.
about 2, but it's over, probably over a foot, so that's okay.
All right, so we are going to get the snow blower out, so it wasn't a wasted trip the other day when we rented the trailer. We're gonna snow blow the driveway, the sidewalks, and yeah, then maybe cook up some lunch and definitely get Okimo and bring her over here. So the snow plow basically plowed us in. So let's see how Mike got over this, and I can get in here too. Ah! What? He's wasting no time getting started.
Well, the faster I can get this done, the faster I can get our new huge TV hung.
I can't believe it. Okay. All right, we'll check back in with you. Okay, so when the snowblower runs out of gas, this is one way to clear your driveway. Just roll a snowman. Oh gosh. So this is our first outing in the neighborhood, and I guess the neighbors will just think that we're really cool for building a snowman in the middle of our driveway.
Abby.
I heard it. This is why we wanted the builder to put ice breaks on our roof, because I just shoveled this and it literally sounded like an Abby coming down. And now here we go again. Good thing I wasn't standing there. Yay! We'll show you guys the finished product soon. Okay, we finished the snowman. Let's go see. Oh gosh. Good job. Voila! We just need to get some accessories on him. He's looking pretty good. Okay, we'll accessorize him and catch you guys later. Welcome to the neighborhood, Frosty. Okay, so we finished the driveway, and all I'm saying is this Stio jacket, even though this snow is so wet, this Stio jacket, it's barely wet on the outside and definitely not wet on the inside. And somebody had a Mountain Hardwear, and literally it soaked through to the inside of Mike's jacket. Oh, too dark. Oh, there you guys can see.
It's supposed to be waterproof somewhat.
So I don't know if this thing is waterproof or not, but look at this.
It's supposed to be.
Okay, maybe up to an hour, not a couple hours. Okay, so the Stio jacket that I was wearing, just so you can see, is completely dry inside. The water didn't even penetrate it. The outside, let's take a look at the outside. I don't know. Maybe right here on the shoulder got the most, but it is doing great. So well worth the money. Thank you, Mom. Actually, this was my Christmas present last year from my mom, the Stio stretch jacket. So thanks, Mom. See, we can find a beanie to put on him. And again, Dad, thank you so much. I know you can see from heaven how good the snowblower that you got us worked. We love you. We miss you so much.
Yep, it's snowing. It's like below 30 out here, and I'm just in the Under Armour shirt.
The neighbors are going to think you're weird.
Oh, they're going to get to know me real fast, and that's absolutely very weird.
Who's that?
Now, I married you.
Who's that new weird couple that moved in?
Done for the day. Unfortunately, the TV bracket that we got to hang it to the wall didn't work, so we had to return that tomorrow and get a different one. As you can see, it is still snowing out, and yeah, we're gonna call it for the night. Okay, so that's gonna bring us to the end of the video, and it's gonna bring us to the end of the snow here in Salt Lake, but there is more snow on its way. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us on the purchase of our new house here in Utah. We so enjoyed bringing you guys along with us.
Definitely. And we just want to give a big shout out to our real estate agent, Cody Steck, and you can look him up on YouTube. He's got a lot of awesome videos about Salt Lake. He's at Living in Salt Lake City, Cody Steck, S-T-E-C-K.
Yep, on YouTube. So we have a lot more to do here at the house. We have a lot more to show you. You can probably see in the background. We got some stuff already up. We can't wait to show you the whole house. So you have to stay tuned for that.
If you liked our videos, be sure to subscribe to Elevated Adventures and give us a big thumbs up.
Okay, we'll see ya.
Adios!